Problems with the GoPro. Don't usually use this camera. Oh, I hope it's working. Where are you headed? We had to find a parking spot, so we're actually pretty close. The Roadkill Cafe is right there, and we're parked at this nice park. So we'll just walk over and check it out. So we were here 4 years ago, and our son and daughter-in-law were here when they were traveling around the country. We just stumbled across it. It's a buffet, and back then it was only $10. And my wife will still tell you that it's the best fried chicken she's ever had. She had more of it for dessert that day.
I did. I know better this time.
So what is it, about 11:30? The place is only open for 2 hours a day?
Having breakfast.
10:30 to 12:30.
Yeah, breakfast at 11:30.
So if you miss it, you miss it. It's only open for another hour. So we rode around the block and found a parking spot. We cut across here. It's a nice little town. Christina's not too happy. We got all the way up here and she doesn't have a mask with her. So she had to go all the way back over there to the camper. I've got one in my pocket because I walked all the way up to Walmart and I forgot my mask. So they gave me one. So we were worried about parking. This guy, he parked right across from the place with that big old fifth wheel. Maybe he knows the town better than we do. So here it is. The Roadkill Cafe. I remembered it as that billboard, that mural being on the side of the building. It's actually on the front. I do think maybe the mural was on the side of a building, maybe over that way. I'm pretty sure we drove up on the side of this, unless there was a street right here. But this looks like more of a temporary thing. But there it is. All the animals cooking up a possum. So I guess we'll have some possum that they picked up on the side of the road. It's kind of a neat old town down here in the south. Art Deco style building. Could have been an old movie theater. So here comes Christina. She's gonna be so mad she had to go all the way back to the camper. I think she's coming somewhere. I saw her. There she is. Here's what's on the menu today. There's that big pile of fried chicken. That looks pretty good. How's the chicken? As good as you remembered? I got a big old piece right here to eat. Right after I eat my ambrosia. Can you identify all this food on here? What do we got here? Lima beans?
No, it's not lima beans.
Some kind of lima beans right here.
Sorry, I didn't see this.
Some kind of
It's corn muffin.
peas, corn muffin.
It's almost like a potato salad, but
what's
it's
that? That's lima beans, isn't
no,
it?
that's like a string bean. It's just a different
White
version.
gravy, chili on rice, and a little itty bitty piece of fried chicken. How many pieces of chicken is this?
This is my second.
Here's what I would say about this place. Everything's good, but the chicken is by far the highlight.
The cheese are pretty darn good too.
You like that corn muffin? Yeah, that's tasty. And she's got chili on rice over here.
Yep.
That chicken is probably the best I've ever had. You ever think you'd make it back here?
Never say never.
That's right.
Show you.
Get to have more of that fried chicken.
Oh boy. What is that?
Velvet cake with soft ice cream.
Good. Roadkill Cafe. Got a t-shirt. Roadkill Cafe. You kill it, we grill it. Elberta, Alabama. Love it.